Good morning, friends. So, welcome to Ram's CR Guru YouTube classes. So, ఈ రోజు నా టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే NTSC 2021 MAT UP state paper. I want to explain you. Clear? So, now a topic is classification or odd one out. Okay, overall 12 questions weightage for UP 2021 MAT paper. Okay, so now first question is Guru Ramdas, Guru Gobind Singh and Guru Granth Sahib and Guru Nanak Dev. So which is odd one out? Okay, so now here Guru Ramdas, Guru Gobind Singh and Guru Nanak Dev. So these three gurus are Sikh gurus. Guru Ramdas, Guru Gobind Singh and Guru Nanak Dev are called as Sikh gurus. Okay, except Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is so not a Sikh guru. So that's why answer 3. Okay, so next similarly second question is anxiety, anger, sorrow and feeling. So what is the answer in that? Suppose if it is anxiety, anger and sorrow, so these three are called as types of feelings. Types of anxiety, anger, sorrow. So these three are called types of feelings. So except feeling. Okay. So that's the fourth option is the answer. So okay, similarly, so next third question is octopus. Okay, dolphin, penguin and seal. Okay, once you observe octopus, dolphin and seal, so these three are called as animals. Okay, these three are called as animals. Clear? So next penguin is not an animal, so that's why option 3 is the correct answer. Next, fourth question is 289, 216, 512 and 729. So now suppose if it is 289 can be written as 17 square, 216 can be written as 6 cube and 512 can be written as 8 cube and 729 can be written as this is nothing but 9 cube. 9 cube. So once you observe 2, 3, 4 are this 2, 3, 4 are called as perfect cubes, but 289 is the perfect square. So that's why answer is 289, odd one out. Clear everybody? So next question, friends. Fifth one is mobile, computer, gas heater, television. So actually here mobile and computer and television. So these three are called as electronic devices, no? Except gas heater. So gas heater is odd one out. So similarly, sixth one is pistol, sword, gun, rifle. So actually in that pistol, gun, rifle, so these three are called as weapons having the missions. That are weapons on no, except a sword. Right? Sword is the odd one out. Okay. So next, Konark, Khajuraho, Ellora, Dilwara. So actually, but in this Konark, Khajuraho and Dilwara, these are called as Ellora caves. Except Ellora. So that's why Ellora is the odd one out. Okay. Konark, Khajuraho, Dilwara, these are called as Ellora cave, friends. Okay, friends, eighth question. Sky, stars. Actually, once observe sky and stars, that first one is related to second one. But in the sky, stars will be stadium players. But these two are related between 1 and 2. Okay. And again, similarly, hospital, patient. Hospital and patient related to related words. And again here moon and bird, it is not related words. So that's why option 4 is the answer. Okay, odd one out is option 4. Once again I am reminding you. So what is odd one out? Our classification means out of 4 answers, out of 4 options, 3 from same category and 1 from different category. First you need to find out, observe that what is the different category. Clear everybody? So next 9 to 12 questions for figure classification. Figure classification in UP paper. So the weightage questions. Okay. So I will explain that 9 to 12 that figure classification question. So next 9th question is figure classification. See, once you observe, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 options are given. So out of 4 options, so once you observe, first of all, this dot will be there, no? This dot, once you observe for this dot. If it is after dot, so this arrow will be, but it is away from the dot. And again, if it is dot will be there, this arrow opposite arrow will be in this towards the facing towards the dot. It is away from the dot. And again, see here also this one, this dot will be this arrow will be towards the dot. And again here also this one also towards the dot. So basically in the first one only this arrow will be away from the dot. So that's why first option is the odd one out. So compared to the all the 4 boxes. Okay, so this 2, 3, 4 from the same category and the different categories. So first one, so that is the. So next 10th question is, once you observe in this inside of the boxes, suppose squares, some squares, circles relation will be. Okay, first once observed in the first figure, square, circle, square. And this is square, circle. And again next here, circle, square. But here, square, circle and square. So and again here, square, circle will be. Suppose if it is 2 successive figures means see here, square and square is successive figures will be, means here square and square. Okay, these two are in the successive. And again here circle and circle, again these two are successive. But again here circle and circle in the 4th figure also successive will be there. But in this 3rd figure, so first of all in that first square will be there, next circle will be there, next again square means, so these two are alternatives, alternative same figures will be there. So remaining 1, 2, 4 options are, the figures are but similar, same figures are in successive figures, and again this 3rd figure will be alternate figures. So that's why option 3 is the answer from this, friends. Next, friends. Okay, next 11th question. Once you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, which is the odd one out? Actually, if it is like this hemispherical circles will be, and again here in this top the same thing will be there, the circles, and again in the top is same, and again dots also will be same. And again just what is the difference means, again here all the line segments will be there. And again next in the down triangles will be there. First only for you observe for triangles. Why? Because remaining everything it will be same from the all the 4 figures. Okay, so which is different one means, now here see this line 2. Suppose if it is first one is triangle vertex. Triangle vertex is connected with the line segment. Okay, and again this but again here it is this triangle vertex is does not connected with the line segment. This triangle will be, 3rd figure triangle will be vertex is connected with line segment. And again this 4th also triangle vertex is connected with line segment, but which is not. But in the 2nd figure this triangle vertex is away from the line segment, so it is not connected with the line segment in the triangle vertex. So that's why odd one out is so 2nd option is clear everybody. Okay, that compared to the number classification, letter classification, and again word classification, so that figure classification is very much easy, friends. Okay, so next last question from UP state paper in the 2021. 12th question is last question from this UP state paper 2021 paper. Okay. So once observe first figure, but here all the four boxes having four line segments. Having four line segments. So means out of four line segments, see in the first figure, if one line segment is intersecting other three line segments. What is the future? One line segment is intersect with the other three line segments. The second figure, one line segment is intersecting with three line segments. And the third figure, one line segment is intersecting with three line segments. But what about fourth one? Two line segments are intersecting. But here remaining first three, 1, 2, 3 are one line segment is intersecting with three line segments. But except fourth one. So that's why odd one out is so fourth one. So now, but in this UP 2021 MAT, only classification weightage 12 questions. Okay, from the next video for AP and Telangana. But in the classification, so what is the weightage of the questions, and as well as what are the model of questions, I will explain you for the next video. Friends, okay. So friends, ఈ వీడియో మీ అందరికీ నచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో నచ్చితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అలానే బెల్ సింబల్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ అలానే మనకు ఒక కామెంట్ కూడా ఇవ్వండి. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో, మీ వెల్ విషర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో మీరు వాళ్ళకి షేర్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. ఓకే, అలానే ఈ వీడియో కూడా మన టార్గెట్ ఏంటంటే న్యూ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ 100 వచ్చేటట్టుగా మీరు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. అలానే 1000 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ 1 వీక్లో మనకి ఫామ్ అయ్యేటట్టు మీరు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోతో మళ్ళీ మీ ముందుకు నేను వస్తాను. సో అంటిల్ కీప్ వాచింగ్ మై ఛానల్. ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్